Hi, I just bought the Ticonn 24-hour video surveillance sign. It comes in a package like this. In this video, I'm going to open the package and see the quality. And I'm going to show you how it looks during the day, during the night, in a very dark situation, if it really reflects the light visible. Let's get started. So there are 4 in the package. It's made of aluminum. It's pretty thick. I think the quality is no problem. It doesn't flimsy, pretty sturdy, and have a pre-drilled holes, so you can just drill on the fence or on the outside the house. And it got a plastic film. It looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna show you how it looks during the day and night. If you just install the security camera or even the fake ones, I think it's a good idea to install the sign to tell the people that you got covered around the house. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.